Okay guys, so now let's take a look at that. I'm just going to show you the main sweep, what I consider the main sweep from the Octopus half guard. So this is one, it's just a variation of knee shield, or excuse me, of butterfly half, okay? So like if I have half guard here, and then if I put a butterfly hook in, now it's butterfly half. All we're doing to make it Octopus guard is we're getting to this position here. So it is really important that as soon as I swim my arm underneath, I want to grab something. If the belt is there and it's available, cool. If I can just grab the jacket, that's fine too. But the main thing is I need to keep my arm kind of stiff, okay? Because if Maddie were to reach around my head, if she were able to do that, that's gonna be a bad deal for me. So I need to just make sure that I kind of keep my back straight and just make sure she can't reach around. Now for me, if I'm doing this in the gi, as soon as I get up onto my elbow, I'm gonna get a grip on the pants right away. And the knee is usually gonna be close enough that you can easily just grab it, without having to move your elbow too much. And what I consider the main sweep from here is where I just basically get my bottom leg to the other side of this leg, and that way I can sweep and get up on top. So what that looks like is I'm just gonna rock back just enough to kind of elevate, and now I can simply get my leg to the other side of my partner's leg. Now it's kind of like a hook sweep. I'm just going to continue hooking this side, and then I'm just going to elevate my butterfly hook, and I'm also going to look to turn my chest towards the ground. So it looks like this. Point my chest to the ground right away. Now I can come up, I can be in S mount right away, I can keep a grip on the neck so that I can come and take the back right away. I've got a lot of options from there. So getting into it, okay, if I'm here, if my partner were looking to cross face me, I would be blocking that cross face, primarily with my bottom hand. Now I'm gonna swim and get that pant grip right away. Now if I don't have my butterfly hook already, I'll simply scoot out and put that in, and now I can come in, sweep up to the top.